It's been a while since I've done a vlog. In less than 48 hours, I'm going to be running my first marathon. So when you're seeing this video, it's probably going to be more like 24 hours, but that's besides the point. I want to talk about me running my marathon as well as me packing a lot less now in terms of camera gear because I am using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So my main camera of choice before was this bad boy, the Canon EOS R5. This thing is heavy along with the 15 to 35 2.8 lens. I carry that along with a couple of other lenses, and then it gets super heavy because I carry a MacBook Pro, an iPad, a big power bank to charge the MacBook Pro and iPad, basically any device. And it all adds up just because I carry all this extra camera gear. So for this trip, it's only gonna be a weekend trip, but I'm gonna be trying to carry the least amount as possible. But like, I don't know, like just part of me still wants to carry a decent amount of stuff even though I'm sort of minimalizing it. I want to carry the G7X as well for pictures, but in reality this is the only camera that I need. So there's that as well. But I want to challenge myself. There was a point this year where I just took the G7X along with my iPad when I just got my iPad and edited videos with that. So I want to do the same thing but with the Osmo Pocket 3 this time. As for like the marathon, I don't know. I'm excited, but I'm also nervous because the most I've ever run in my life was my last real training session, which was 8 miles. That's less than a third of what I have to run in a marathon, which is 26.2 if you don't already know. Yeah, I hope I survive. I know I'm going to be walking for the majority of this. I don't have a realistic time expectation or like when I expect to finish the race, the marathon, whatever. But I do hope to do it in under 6 hours. I don't know if that's realistic. I just want to finish it. Like, I'd be happy if I just finish the race. I keep calling it race. I don't know if anyone's going to get offended if I call it a race because it's technically like a marathon. I should just keep calling it marathon. So the reason for me moving around my room a lot is not to show you how messy it is, but to sort of see how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 performs in different lighting scenarios. So the first couple of shots were really well lit, I guess you would say, because it's what I would use for my regular setup. But this is where it's kind of backlit and there isn't any direct source of light shining directly at me. So I'm kind of seeing how it looks right now. Although I do have the ND filter just still on there. I wonder if that is going to change anything. I am on fully automatic mode at the moment, but I think I want to keep this on. It is just at one stop, so I am depriving it of light, I guess you would say, by one stop, but it shouldn't be a big deal. If I know for sure there's going to be low light, I will take it off, but I'm sort of testing the limits on the Osmo Pocket 3 for now. What was I talking about again? This is going to happen a lot. This vlog is probably going to be all over the place, just like the different angles, but side note, I really love how you can start and stop recording with the multifunction button on the remote. It's just super convenient. I don't have to like reach over and stop recording and then reach over to start again. Anyways, I have not started packing yet. I kind of have gathered everything, but I really need to pack because my flight is tomorrow morning. It's the first flight, but it's okay. I've been sort of acclimating myself to wake up at around 4 to 5 a.m. On marathon day, we're planning to wake up at 3:30, so hopefully it works out. The thing I can't wait for after the race is to eat whatever I want. I think that's how it works. I'm not really sure. Although I know that what we're doing right now is carb loading or carbo loading or whatever. You just eat carbs. You're supposed to calculate it in a way, but I'm just eating whatever. I had like leftover fast food and then I'm gonna eat some pasta with steak later again for dinner. I say again because I've had that for like the past week or something. Just don't ask. Okay, one more thing before I stop yapping. I wanted to call this series something, or this vlog. I want to call it something. And the thing that it came up with was, it was called Unemployed Chronicles. But I think I want to call it The Art of Being Unemployed. That's going to be the series name. Shout out to ChatGPT for coming up with that name. All I literally put was, is Unemployed Chronicles a good name for a series? What are some alternatives? And it gave me some alternatives, but it didn't have unemployed in it. So I was like, keep unemployed in the name, please. And it gave me a bunch of different names. So The Art of Being Unemployed is what I'm going to be calling this series, this vlog, whatever. I'm technically not unemployed, but it sounds better if it says I'm unemployed. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna rock with it for now. See how it goes. These are gonna be my change of clothes for after the race. And I already have the little chest pack that I'm gonna be using for the marathon. I keep saying race. How many times am I gonna say race in this vlog? Anyways, I don't even know if I'm gonna be using this, to be honest. For literally a 3-day trip, I'm packing so much stuff. It's not good. Can't forget the running shoes. Okay, so to make sure that I am using the microphone, I make sure to start and stop recording with the microphone. So I know for sure that this is activated. Anyways, I am almost finished packing. Everything is like gathered. I just finished taking a shower, brushing my teeth. It's 7:17 p.m. I plan to at least get to bed around 8. So I'm still using the same backpack, but I've taken out my mirrorless camera as well as the things that I need for the mirrorless camera. And this backpack is now super light. Of course, I still have to pack my iPad, my MacBook, but my kit is overall going to be so much lighter. As for my carry-on, I decided to take out my main pair of shoes and I'm going to be wearing slacks because it's not all going to fit in there. And you got to do what you got to do in order to fit everything. So I'm not sure if this is a good placement for the microphone, but we'll see. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the vlog this evening. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the vlog for today. I'm pretty much packed up. I just need to finish charging all of my stuff. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's gonna be for tomorrow though. I don't know. I feel as though on the surface, this vlog doesn't seem very important, but it's one step closer to me creating better content in terms of me learning my camera better. I'm just vlogging in general, so that's experience in and of itself. And even though this may not be the most exciting vlog, it kind of shows what I go through as an unemployed person. I don't know. I guess in this series or whatever, I'm going to be showing you what that friend does on those random Tuesdays. Before I go to bed, I do want to show you this. I still carry around an Apple Wallet when I travel because I can just use my ID instead of a passport, and so all I have to do is carry this in my pocket and we are good to go. Boarding pass, ID, get through pre-check really, really quickly. Just wanted to share that for some reason. I'll get better at this. Again, I don't feel like what I'm putting out are masterpieces by any means. I'm just creating content and putting them out there. Maybe if I gave it a little bit more thought each time I created a vlog, they would be considerably better. I still have a package to unbox, but I'll probably save that for when I come back. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Good night. Thanks for listening.